Let's see what's diglossia. Diglossia comes from the Greek word diglossis, meaning bilingual. It means to speak two languages. The term was first used in English in 1959 by linguist Charles Ferguson. A situation in which two languages or two varieties of the same language are used under different conditions within a community, often by the same speakers. This term is usually applied to languages with distinct high and low varieties. Now let's see what is high and low variety in diglossic situation. In sociolinguistics, there are two varieties of language for different purposes in the same community. These varieties are called H and L. H stand for high and L stand for low. The first being generally a standard variety used for high purposes, and the second often a low spoken one. Let's discuss different types of diglossia. The languages or dialects that are used in diglossic communities are used for different purposes and can be labeled in two ways. Number one, high variety and low variety, as I discussed earlier. High variety refers to the language variety used in formal professional settings such as in education, politics, and the mass media. And the low variety is used in everyday conversations and is spoken in more informal settings such as at home and with family and friends. Alongside standard diglossia, there is another type called bilingual diglossia. This occurs when one language variety is used for writing and the other is used for speaking. Here you can see different examples of diglossia. When Charles Ferguson first wrote about the term diglossia, he introduced a few common examples of diglossic languages. Some diglossic languages include, here you can see the very first example of Haiti. In Haiti, Haitian Creole is taken as a low variety, and French language is taken as a H variety. And in Arabic speaking countries, local dialects such as Egyptian is considered as low variety, and classical standard Arabic is considered as H variety. In Switzerland, Swiss German is considered as low variety, and standard German is taken as an H variety. In Greece, Demotic Greek is considered as a low variety, and Catharosa Greek is considered as an H variety. In India, Hindi is a low variety, and Sanskrit is considered as an H variety. Now let's see what's the function of diglossia. Diglossia is a linguistic phenomenon found in many multilingual speech communities, and it describes a particular type of sociolinguistic situation in which there is a clear differentiation in function between the languages or language varieties used in a bilingual or multilingual community. So this was all about diglossia. I hope you might have clear idea about this term related to sociolinguistics. Thank you.